Mr. Should I call you Mr.? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in. Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. You are a transgender.
What shows that I'm gay?
You are a transgender, and
Yes,
you're a
I am.
gay rights activist and an outspoken lesbian, homosexual. How can I describe it? So as we stand today, are you dating any female?
Yes, I am.
You have a girlfriend.
Yes, I do.
While in transition, you're having a girlfriend.
Yes.
Do you perform the natural obligations? Doesn't that make you gay?
So that was Simon Kwaghanjayila, who is a Ugandan TV host, very popular for asking the question on national television, and he has gone viral for that video, Why Are You Gay? He is the next guest to appear on Lasizo's Awkward Date, which is actually surrounded by controversy on social media, particularly Twitter, you guys, as the LGBTQI community has came for Olasizwe Dambula. He is receiving a lot of backlash, you guys, particularly for what they call a homophobe. But they're saying that Olasizwe is actually giving this man a platform. Why is he even doing that, as himself is part of the LGBTQI community? They were saying that not only did he disrespect the LGBTQI community, but they felt like this is a strategic move on Lasizo's side to make money, because they were saying that June is the month, a Pride month, and Olasizwe not only did this, apparently last year he also invited someone who was a homophobe on the very same month of June. So people were saying that Olasizwe is in her bag. All he wants rather is to just secure the bag, despite giving Simon Kwaghanjayila, who is a homophobe, because they were saying that video was very much chilling and it upset a lot of the LGBTQI community. I'm not surprised at what Lasizo is doing. I mean, he made the gays go on a date with his homophobic brother on Pride Month last year. He's pushing a narrative. Lasizo is so weird for platforming a homophobe during Pride Month. I hate Lasizo so much. Last year, June, he had his homophobic brother interview his guests that were gay. Masepa Araretle. Does Lasizo even know why that man is even famous? The guy was mocking an activist who was speaking out against Uganda's anti-gay laws, some of which gives the government the right to unalive. Uganda is still facing sanctions around the world. But here goes this Domkop platforming rather a broadcaster that directly perpetuated these homophobic laws. Anything for views, I guess. Hopefully he wasn't homophobic towards him. And someone said he's in the business of content and numbers matter. That's his revenue. Disappointed, the very same Lasizo that creates content around that homophobic brother of his just for gags. And I'm not surprised at all, but angry at this. Well, you guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below.